loves, it's your girl Lily, and I am back with another video. Make sure you smash that like button and pound on that subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're one of my OGs, thank you for tuning in once again. Right now I'm about to go to brunch with my brother and mom because he called us this morning and invited us. So I'm headed out now, but this morning when Will was, hold on, let me go back to the lighting. So yeah, this morning when Will was leaving out for work, he cleaned off my car too, but sometime between then and now, it continued to snow. So now I have to clean off my car so y'all can watch me do that. And then we gonna head on out to go get some food. I ended up having to use the broom to clean off my car, y'all, because I think Will took the little thingy with him. I don't know, what is it called? To clean off the ice, and it has the brush on the other end. He took that tool with him, so I think he did, because there's nowhere here. I didn't see it. I'm pretty sure he did. So yeah, so he probably didn't think it was gonna continue to snow, but yeah, I had to use the broom. So y'all know how it is, you gotta improvise.
I think she's thinking I'm what she's saying. But yeah.
Hello. Yes.
Thank you for coming to visit. We also want to remind you that it is recommended everyone practice proper social
Just the one? Mama's in front of me.
Guests around you and try to maintain a safe distance. We are looking forward to serving you today and in the future.
Talk to the lady, Mom. Breakfast all day. Are they only doing breakfast right now? Because it ain't no lunch on here. At least I don't see it. This is just a breakfast menu. Yeah, it's just breakfast. There was music playing in the background, so I had to do a voiceover, but my mom said that her coffee was really good, and she said it wasn't as sweet as she thought it would be. And then I just told you guys that I had a sweet tea. I had grilled catfish, hash brown casserole, and eggs with cheese, biscuits and gravy, and grits. And my mom had the exact same thing, except she had 2 pieces of grilled fish, and she swapped her apples for the grits. My brother ordered the steak and eggs. I think he had his eggs scrambled with cheese, and then he had hash brown casserole with an order of biscuits and gravy. I'm generally not a big Cracker Barrel fan, but I do know that I like their grilled catfish. And so when I tasted those eggs, I was like, because they were really good, y'all. So shout out to Cracker Barrel, because we had great service and the food was nice and hot. But I really enjoyed the eggs, and I had them scrambled with cheese, but they were really good. Like, I don't know, y'all, they were really good eggs. I was trying to eat other stuff, y'all, but I was just so stuck on the eggs. Alright, y'all, so I had got some antifreeze for my car, and my brother about to put it in. I could have did it myself, of course, but he's a mechanic, so why not get spoiled, you know? But y'all, that food we had at Cracker Barrel was so good. But now he's finna put this antifreeze in my car. Alright, y'all, I am at home now. I done already started cooking dinner. I got some broccoli. I'm about to make some box mac and cheese, and I'm frying Will some chicken, and then I'm gonna fry myself a piece of fish. So I wanted to show you guys that because he will be on his way soon. They've been working overtime lately, so he gonna be home a little bit later, but it'll be ready by the time he get here. It'll be ready. The time now is 4:20 p.m. and he'll be here in like 45 minutes, so a little after 5, and I'll be done by that time. So yeah, it'll be nice and hot once he gets here, and you guys can just watch me cook dinner. Okay. To add more cheese to the mac and cheese. Here's my fish, green beans, mac and cheese, and then Will got fried chicken wings, mac and cheese, and broccoli. I mean broccoli, I said green beans, broccoli. So we're gonna go ahead and eat. I guess my husband's job sent him this gift. I'm probably gonna eat both of these because he don't even eat peanuts. That will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I truly appreciate your support. I'm about to get on TikTok and make some videos. So if you guys don't know my TikTok, you can follow me on there at Alicia Deshane. I'll put it right here on the screen so you'll see it. My TikTok is Alicia Deshane, my Facebook is Alicia Deshane, and my Instagram is Lunette the Clown. So you guys are more than welcome to follow me on my other social medias. And I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace.